Hey guys, Kirby here. And I woke up like this. No, seriously, I just woke up. Let's go. I am a host and senior video reporter at Popsugar. My schedule is usually jam-packed and I'm always on the go, but there are certain morning rituals I make sure to accommodate no matter how long I want to snooze. First up, I scroll through emails because I have 5 email accounts and I'm a crazy person. Then I check social media because, let's be honest, it's been 8 hours since I got my fix. I do travel a lot for work, which is awesome, but when you're traveling at high altitudes, it can dry out your skin, and for me, it actually affects my lip area more than anywhere else. I love that Aquaphor Healing Ointment protects and soothes extremely dry skin and chapped lips. Okay, so for me, skincare is really important, so while I'm brewing my tea, I like to go and get a sheet mask, put that on. I always try to take a few moments and zen out, but who says you can't multitask while you self-care? So I've really been focusing on hydrating my body right when I get out of the shower. I use Aquaphor Ointment Body Spray to soothe and relieve dry, rough skin. The Aquaphor spray is so easy to apply and leaves my skin feeling soft and smooth. The ointment locks in moisture to keep my skin hydrated and is great for hard-to-reach areas like my back and legs. Hey, I'm not a contortionist, honey. A quick hair zhuzh and a swipe of gloss is always the last thing I do before I leave the bathroom. Before I head out for the day, I like to give my nails some love. I use Aquaphor Healing Ointment to keep them in perfect condition. Finally, I pack my bag with everything I need for the day and visualize puppies to put me in a good mood. Then I'm ready for whatever the next adventure may bring.